Francis knows he's not supposed to be playing in there.
Grandma, she's got me in here and she won't let me out.
What's the meaning of this, Jean Louise?
What's going on here?
Francis is being a baby.
Now what did you do now?
Yes. I ain't got him in there right there. I ain't holding him.
Yes, she is. But she won't let me out.
Have you all been fussing?
Jean Louise got mad at me, Grandma.
Francis, you get out of there. Jean Louise, I better not hear you say another word. And that hell a while ago? No. I did, and I better not hear you say it again.
Stop it. Scout, Francis, you guys are cousins. You shouldn't be fighting like this. And besides, it's Christmas time. It's time for love and not time for hate. Okay, let's go in the house for some hot chocolate. Maybe Aunt Alexandra can make some cookies.
Oh, bother. Fine. Merry Christmas, children.
Thanks.
Hi.
Merry Christmas, kids.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, what she said.
Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year. Hey, how did she read this? It's like freaking upside down. Look. It's upside down. Look at these presents. Nothing in them. Look. Nothing in them. No breakables or anything in that. Anyways, I'm James Pierce's cameraman for the team. Well, the movie, whatever. And there was lots of bloopers in this video. I can't even count them. Like, there was over 60, maybe 70. And guys, enjoy.
Are we there yet? No, I'm not yet, hun. But I got you over here. How about now?
No, not much longer, Scout. You don't have to be patient, no, you can wait.
Still mad, Jean Louise?
Nothing to speak of. You gonna take it back, friend? Open my door! Jean Louise! What are you gonna get the door open? But Atticus, I don't want to go see Cousin Francis.
No hussing and fussing like last year, ain't gonna work.
But Atticus!
No buts, you know what Aunt Alexandra gets.
I'm a-coming. Sis? Sorry, I didn't know you were...
And that's a wrap! God bless us, everyone.